freestyle going, man. Start that joint.
You didn't even do the intro, man.
Oh.
Yeah, that's
Welcome to the Countin Deadz.
It's all lust. It's all lust in bruh's soul.
It is. I ain't gonna lie.
It's terrible.
I'm kind of excited for this one. Welcome to the Countin Deadz, man. And we got another reaction video right here. And shit, I don't even want to waste no time. I'm ready to get into it.
You ain't tell nobody what it was.
Shit. Doja Cat Freestyle. Y'all know what it is. They know what it is. The title in the video. Make sure you put that title. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe. We're trying to get to a million subscribers by the end of the year. That's for sure. Let's go and get into this. Start the drum up. Start the drum up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Don't overthink shit. Just get to it, bro. Not overthink. See that? Don't overthink shit.
Come on, bro. Be quiet, bro.
Please, thank you.
We're pros at this. We got this. We know what we're doing. Save Life said. Doja, Cave, Freestyle. Alright, it's happening. We're here, live. You want to woke Kenny now? Now?
That was gonna be out.
Kenny!
She know that.
Whoa, Kenny. Whoa, Kenny.
What? Out of here. No.
Whoa,
Key
Kenny.
said it. So really just the way Key says it.
The way I said
You're
it?
the one that did the square hello.
No, that's Zach Fox.
That ain't me.
I love that you're confusing Key and Zach Fox.
Get out of here. Use it.
What are we doing today? What is your vibe? How are you feeling?
Alright, so what's gonna happen? I'm a part, and then you sample that, and you make all the percussion, all the melodies out of my fart into.
Okay, but I can use my own drums. I just have to use some percussion with your parts.
Yeah, the other shit that you do
Gonna use her
with
fart.
Rico and
Shit nasty, bitch.
Zach was I
That's
like
not
that vibe a lot.
Okay.
But maybe we can like spin it.
Okay.
Like, do some like something like bubbly noises
Cute.
and fucking cute.
You gotta get
shit.
cute.
Like
Look, he think it's
music box type shit.
You do
Find
too.
some- I fucking sampled Animal Crossing.
You make a lot of beats.
I make
What do you make beats in?
Logic.
Okay, chill. I used to use Logic.
Yeah.
But then I got good at music and got ill.
Then you got some money.
It looks like a spider. I'm just
It's easy for me. I feel like it's the fastest. Logic sounds better a lot of the time. You can like do more shit in Logic when it comes to like certain things, but like Ableton's quick.
Man, get to the damn freestyle, man.
Rico vibe, but Q.
We chilling. This how they doing shit.
Yeah, talking about farts and shit.
We can watch another Kenny Beats freestyle after this show. Cause you know he got a bunch of them. Niggas be. Hey, Freddie Gibbs got a joint. That joint fire. Freddie Gibbs joint crazy. I ain't gonna catch.
This is cute.
That's cute. I like that. I like that. I like that.
Is this the one?
Yeah.
Bruh, he about to chop this bitch up.
I already know bro nice with
Yeah, we
I
know
want to
he
keep the
nice.
drums kind of cute.
We don't fuck with.
Doja Cat nice too though.
Hey,
Watch how she kill it though.
we gonna see. I hope she.
I ain't seen this joint since I watched it the first time though.
You've been telling us about it for the past month and
Hey,
a half.
bruh, I don't for real. I don't even remember it. I just remember she killed it. And that's why I've been telling y'all to watch it. Joint.
Jesus Christ.
Let's
I got this new computer and I just accidentally either do this
watch
and
it.
Siri
Fuck
pops
with that
up.
shirt, that Lucky Me joint.
I didn't get that.
Oh my god.
That'd be a nice little bandit brand joint. No. You already got that bitch cooking. Hey, look, she already in the mode. She already in the vibe. Yes, sir. He different.
Yeah.
And for real, his pattern's not even like complex. It's just real simple. He's just filling in all the gaps on his shirt.
Like I feel
Like
this
wherever
is
empty
more
space
bipolar
is, he
shit.
just putting
I'm
sounds
like
in.
writing some
That's-
hard
that's-
shit, but then I'm saying
Yeah,
like.
of course it's on beat though.
That's the vibe.
That's the hard part.
How do you feel about this?
It's good. I already have like the verse.
Okay.
You like it? You don't like it.
I love it.
You
What
love
do you
it?
mean?
The way you're asking it, it feels like
This is about you. This is your episode of the cave.
well, I love it. I'm almost done. I'm writing some funny ass shit. I'm like
Sad.
over here giggling. To
Like some Skittles or some shit. M&M's.
This is as cute as I can get.
Do you have like giggling sounds?
Skittles
Yeah.
are
I can
kind
do
of
it myself.
Oh, white.
I can buy some.
Could you like put like
Bro, I got hella sounds. Yeah, I got some giggly sounds. Yeah, easy.
Oh, the old rhythmic giggle, huh?
When you got money, you don't even need to go backdoor sound. You just go buy the shit. Yeah, I go buy some more.
wait, play 20.
Quick $200 download.
That's all you really need.
Okay, cool.
But then you should just say some dumb shit after that. Like, Vince called me the police for the rest of his time, but don't do that.
I can do it as I'm in there.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, like don't even write
Yeah.
it.
You see what the signs that in there?
What? Oh, yeah, don't overthink shit.
Hey, Dev, this like
That's the
a...
greatest sign I ever seen.
Yeah, that's like a
Oh.
layout.
Yeah, but you're not paying attention to it.
No, I'm not overthinking. I sort of brush my ass cheeks.
Fire.
Nah, dog. I'm talking about the control cam joint, Kenny Beats.
Are you sure?
Yeah, like, you not even been there.
All the way ready.
I know. Ain't nothing happened.
Hey, hold on.
You and this bitch still waiting.
I mean,
Man.
yeah.
Hold on. We just admiring.
Freestyle.
We admiring
That's
the
what I'm
process.
saying.
Chill, I'm
Nah,
excited.
this is his joint. What he do on his YouTube channel. He come in, he let niggas cook up, and then they freestyle on what he cook up.
You're gonna walk in.
And chop it all down to 9 minutes. I'm pretty sure this took
I'm
about...
trying to say cook up like she about to kill this shit.
I hope she do.
Yeah. The last one I remember, she
Build
killed
up.
the joint.
It's larger
Hold on.
than the verse.
Her ass about to be fat. Oh, they ain't show that joint. That's wild. That's wild.
Woo! Can you hear me?
Get this guy.
Wait, talking to the mic, I can't hear you.
She about to like that.
No, the mic.
Yeah, oh, fuck. Hey.
There she is.
Hey.
Okay, can you hear yourself? Can you hear me?
Setup, bro.
Yeah, that studio
Doesn't
setup
sound good.
definitely lit.
That joint crazy.
Are you ready?
Don't
Yes.
Are you
overthink shit.
excited?
Yes.
Oh my god, okay. Here we go.
Okay.
Yeah, fuck that joint.
Wait, is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Yeah. Yo. Got a problem in the dress. I go at a little nigga neck like a pest. Bitches all upon me like a dick up in my dress. Breathing in my face as if your shit is minty fresh. You got icky breath, yeah I'm nuts, yeah I'm straight cash shoes. I just put this pussy all over his face tattoos. Can he never turn the fucking bass down, dude? Tryna give a bitch tinnitus in the breakdown, dude. Hey Kenny, where you at? Hey Kenny, like the cat. Hey Kenny, where you at? Where the fuck you at? Ooh, buy my merch, little bitch. Look at my shirt, little
I
bitch.
remember the joint that sweet.
Look at my shirt, little bitch. Go to my website.
You just put a plug on the cave?
That was
Yeah.
the freestyle.
Fuck?
I remember the joint being
Definitely
better than
freestyle.
that.
I say, I give you that.
Here,
My sunglasses and
You
flowers.
gotta block
That was it.
on that. You gotta do it.
I don't know. It might be
Doja?
Everything else out.
The build.
The whole.
That's it.
Oh my god. I feel pretty good about it. You wanna come listen to it?
That's it.
Can he never turn the fucking bass down, dude? Tryna give a bitch tinnitus in the breakdown, dude. Hey Kenny, where you at? Hey Kenny, like the cat.
Put your phone out so fast.
Where the fuck you at? Ooh.
That wasn't so bad, right? That was easy. That was fine.
Yeah, man.
I can do that like 5 more
Doja Cat
times.
freestyle, man. Make sure y'all go check out Kenny Beats
And
channel.
then we'll drop for real.
No.
The Cave freestyle.
Yeah.
No.
Alright.
Cut this shit off. Let's talk about
We're gonna cut the
this.
cave.
Let's talk about what?
What's your thoughts on this? You the judge.
I thought it was gonna be way better than that. That's all. I'm gonna just leave it.
As an executioner, I am highly disappointed in you. Prosecutor, my fault. I'm highly disappointed in you.
Well, like I said,
How long, bro, been hyping this freestyle up?
I wish we would have went to go watch this joint before we got on this camera. But look,
say that.
but look though,
She definitely.
this why we do reaction videos, bro. This why we do this shit, bro. This
Why you just said what you just said?
Hey, bro, this what we do this shit for, bro. We do this so y'all can get our reaction, bro. That's all we do it for. We ain't doing this for no other reason, bro. Just so y'all can get our reaction, bro. And that's what we here for. So make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, because we trying to get to 1 million subscribers by the end of the year. And it's been another episode.
And my reaction, this shit was trash. Beat was hard.
Hey,
The beat was the best thing about it.
The beat
that
was,
freestyle was
I
like
ain't-
hot garbage in the morning.
the beat wasn't the best thing about it.
Yes, it was,
She
bro.
was the best thing about it. She still, bro.
And we're out.